Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for your likes, your comments. Thank you for your subscriptions. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. For today's tutorial, it's about this, how to do your fake it till you make it kind of hair updo, because I don't have a lot like you've seen in my previous hair tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm not sure how the back is looking because I couldn't get my old hair into one bun, but I was able to maneuver it in order for me to achieve this look. And if you want to see how I achieve this gorgeous, and if you want to see how I achieve this hairstyle with my tiny bit ponytail, please do continue watching. If you like this video, could you please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, could you please subscribe and let me know what you think about this video. Please leave me a comment down below. Please like and subscribe us. So if you are the type that you would like to bling it and bling it on, okay, if you want to blink your eye, watch out for the end of this video. Please don't leave until you see what I'm about to show you at the end of this video. It's very simple and very easy. You can choose to use the gel. I choose not to use any form of gel because I just washed my hair and I don't intend to go wash it again for the rest of the week. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this style that I'm about to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and use, do you remember this from my last video? Yes, I'm gonna use it over and over until you get tired. Okay, and this is my small ponytail, so I'll go ahead and attach this on it. Just go ahead and twist it. Band at the tip in order for it not to unravel. So I went ahead and put the second one just like the way I put the first one. So I put the second one on the bun. Then I'm going to go ahead and twist this one too. This I'll put it on the other direction like this. I'll put it on top of this, secure with a bobby pin. Tuck it under. You can play around with it until you're comfortable with the look. I'll go ahead and put my signature look. So I took it out of the box. This is how it came. And can you imagine, guys? How am I going to stick this without the wire showing? We're going to give it a try. I love to challenge myself. I love to try something that it's new, and it came with a glue. But be warned, if you have sensitive eyes, don't even try to use this. It is written on the box, and I'm saying it once again. If you have sensitive eyes, don't go near this. Don't forget, sensitive eyes, don't go near it. I don't know if it's gonna work for me too, but I'll just give it a try. I hope I don't get blind using this. Okay, the glue stays, but the weight from this is not gonna let me leave it because it's gonna fall. So I'm just gonna hang it onto my ears to support. So I'll go ahead and do the second one, and I'm gonna be back on the camera, okay? I'm gonna be right back. I'll be back. This is what I came up with, you know? I just covered the wires with scarf. So change the style. But this is the end of this video. I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.